So another person that I was working with, they put a lot into the backstory. You know, this person is 32 years old, and at 6 this happened, at 7 that happened, at 12 this happened, at 14 this happened, at, you know, and it just carried on, carried on, carried on. And I'm like, well, it's good that you know this character's history because it will help you write that character better. You should know your character that well. I 100% applauded them for that. But for them to then want to put all of that into their story so that the reader would know them that well, that's where I said, nope, nope, we're not going to do that. See, here's the thing. You know your character now, and that's amazing. But your reader only needs to know the things they need to know to build and to develop that character for them. So don't put too much backstory in there. Put just enough for your reader to understand what's going on. And then maybe later you can give them a little bit more, and then later a little bit more. So feed your reader the backstory that they need when they need it, and let them enjoy getting to know your character as well as you do over time.